My name's Travis Siegfried. I'm ecosystem development for our business partners here in the Internet of Things group at IBM. And so what that means is I work with our partners one-on-one to develop their partnership and work through the systems that we have here at IBM to make them successful in selling and partnering with us to create Watson cognitive capabilities. So the way I see drones is it's a sensor of sensors. So a drone has a bunch of sensors on it, and the way that we leverage that from an IoT perspective is we can now see, hear, feel, and all of the five senses essentially around whatever it is we're inspecting or whatever the environment is that we're trying to take advantage of. That all gets piped into the Watson IoT platform, and then we can leverage that in some way, shape, or form to provide insights for our clients, make better, efficient decisions. For an everyday consumer, that's hosted in our Bluemix environment. So we have leverage. A consumer developer would be able to build that solution out themselves. You would see it in response, maybe in an app form. So you could see an iPhone app, iPad app with those results and the dashboards included. Mainly it's imagery. Everyone thinks of images with drones, but it's actually much more than that. You can capture the altitude, the lat and longitude, right? So you can understand the proximity of where it is, where the camera is facing, and what asset it is that you're trying to inspect. So this breaks barriers around bridge inspection, which you can't see from a satellite, a Google map, for instance. Right now we're able to see underneath the bridge. Rail inspection, where you would normally be able to track the way that a train may take. There is all kinds of regulations that we have to keep up with in that space. So now we're able to do that. Another industry that it focuses on and it breaks barriers is in mining, where you have oil and gas pipelining, for instance, where it actually takes 3 people to inspect daily some of these areas. Now we can do it with a drone, right, and autonomously launch a drone in some cases. I see a lot of time saving, a lot of from a budgetary constraint, because we're able to do things more frequently, like inspections with drones. We're now able to, we don't have to send a person out there. We don't have to risk their life, for instance, on inspecting a windmill or wind turbine or something, high up in the sky, like a cell tower, which, by the way, are, completely multiplying by the seconds because of our cell phone dependencies today. It saves lives. You can reduce time and just increase overall efficiency. The biggest thing, I think, is to sign up for Bluemix. It's free. Try it out. Start doing some of the development. Like I tell all our business partners, it's free to sign up for a Partner World account, which is required to kind of get started here. And reach out to me or some of the partner development team, and I'd be glad to help. I think efficiency is my ultimate excitement. I like to be most efficient in everything that I do every day. When you have these devices, it literally makes your day easier. It makes your life easier. It's like the life hack of anything. So I really enjoy working with these different device manufacturers, device companies to leverage Watson cognitive capabilities.